Sinasabi po nila na traidor po talaga pag may sakit po kayo sa puso. Hindi ko nakala na mangyari. Ako, Dad, I know you've been guiding me. I'm really, really prepared. This is a great opportunity po talaga and I give my best for the performance.
Jem!
Cause I've been roaming around.
Talagang may bibigan. Yung bibig niya yung nalalaman mo sa bibig niya pagka yung oo. Alam mo, hindi na niya gagawin. Observant ako, keen observant.
Exploration, kung saan talaga tatama yung boses mo, kung saan nabubuhay yung puso mo at kung saan konektado yung boses mo. Pero maganda kang kumanta.
Thank you po. Thank you very much.
Gwapo pati.
Gwapo pati.
Artistahin yung looks and that's not a bad thing
Thank you po,
in
thank you
this
po talaga.
business.
Go get her, Apple.
The thing is, I want to challenge myself, so I think I could provide something special for you. So please be on my team.
Please.
Alright. Opo. Yung coach po na pipiliin ko po. Si Coach Lea po.
Try different things. Kung feeling mo, komportable ka, so good luck. Good luck.
And I'm sure your dad is so proud of you. For daddy, yes. Congratulations, you make it.
Right?
Let's turn this around, man.
Susunod, nanay ng isang sikat na young celebrity aapak sa stage ng The Voice.
No, I have to hug you first. Yes, it's Danielle Padilla's mother.
Abangan sa pagbabalik ng The Voice of the Philippines.
And we are back here at www.thevoice.abs-cbn.com/chat. And for the girls out there na sobrang kinikilig sa kanilang mga bahay, you guys
ito na
are
pala.
in for a treat because live via Skype, we have Jem Kubil. Jem!
Hi, Jem!
Eh, hello po, hello po.
Sino na?
Nice to
Jem,
meet
mami
you.
mo ba yung nasa likod?
Sorry?
Nasa
Ay,
likod.
si Mama, si Mama.
Hi,
Si Mama
Mami!
po.
Hello, Mami. Good evening.
Oh, kita mo
Sabi.
naman. Oh.
Ayun, ayun.
Everyone is just so proud of you with that performance coming from the Blind Auditions. How does it feel to find yourself on TV?
I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's gonna, I think, yeah, sort of. But then, it's overwhelming talaga. I mean, the feeling is like, kinakabahan po ako eh. I mean, all the chills are coming back, you know.
Yes.
Oo. Sina Christy Mendoza sabi via Twitter, ang gwapo, pati boses, ang gwapo-gwapo.
May ganun ba? Gwapong boses.
Oh, I think it's the first coming from Jem Kubil. Jem, ngayon sa The Voice of the Philippines, ano ba expectations mo lalo na?
Sin ka.
Doon na sa acting and I won't stop until na maging up at maging makuha ko yung yung performance na gusto ng mga tao. Ganun.
Jem, may girlfriend ka na ba?
Yes po.
Nice!
Okay, wrong connection na siya. Nawawala na yung connection. Bye! Tinagalit.
Ako yung nagalit.
Taga saan yung girlfriend mo?
Bakit?
Po?
Taga saan yung
Taga
girlfriend
saan?
mo?
Taga Cebu.
Kamukha daw ni Catherine Bernardo kasi crush mo raw si Catherine Bernardo.
Eh, dati pa po yun. Move on
na?
na ako.
Nag-move on ka na, oh.
Talaga, no. Right now, sino ba ang crush mo sa ABS-CBN?
ABS-CBN,
Yeah. I know it's Alex Gonzaga. Tama ba, di ba?
Ah, yes. Tama yan.
but
Song for Alex Gonzaga. Ano yun?
Robby, binenta na ako lag. Okay, go.
One song.
One song lang.
Cause it's you and me,
Uy.
and all of the people, nothing to do,
Oh.
nothing to lose. Cause it's you and me, and all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes on you.
Hashtag ganda
Yun.
mo, girl. Haba ng hair.
Ha? Ano yun?
Thank you so much, Jem. Jem Kubil,
Jem.
all the way from Cebu. Maraming salamat.
Yes.
But before we let you go, gusto ko lang malaman
Very much.
how different is Jem Kubil coming from the, is it okay? to
PGT,
mention? From
yes.
PGT ngayon
Anong
to the Voice of the
pagkakaiba?
Philippines.
What
What can we expect from you?
I think I am a revamped Jem Kubil. I think that's the word ba? People ba?
Revamped, more driven?
Probably sa mga nadaanan ko po, I learned a lot from it. So yeah, I think the experience Jem Kubil, ganun po.
And we just can't wait to let your voice be heard once again sa darating na battle
Jem
rounds.
Kubil.
Under Team Leia, maraming salamat, Jem.
Jem, saan ka pwedeng i-reach ng mga may crush sa'yo, ng mga tao, mga fans mo? Sabi mo na yung mga Instagram mo, Twitter.
Yes. You can follow me on my Instagram at Jem Kubil. My Twitter account po at Jem Kubil. I love all of you guys. So maraming salamat po sa for everything. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Jem,
you.
and congratulations. Welcome sa Team Leia.
Iba ka talaga.
Thank you.
Isa ka talagang coops. James. Jem Kubil.
Now,
Maraming-
magse-celebrate ka na, maglitsyon ka. Masarap ang litsyon sa Cebu, di ba?
Oo.
Maglitsyon kayo,
Sige po.
mag-celebrate
Alright.
kayo.
Papadalahan ko po kayo.
Ay,
Yun!
sabay!
Ayos na ayos yan, no?
Thank
Yung
you.
staff of
Di
the
naman
Voice
kami
of the
nagpaparinig.
Philippines. Ha?
Zubutyon na, zubutyon. Okay.
Okay, ha? Promise mo yan. Ako hindi, wala kang battle round.
Okay po.
Okay. We will expect that coming from
you.
Jem Kubil all the way from
Congrats.
Cebu. And right now, from Cebu,
Thank you very much.
let's get back to the blind auditions here at the Voice of the Philippines.
Skin whitening and anti-aging products. Pacific Mall, Mandaue. Pacific Mall, Legazpi. Robinson's Place, Palawan. City State, Asturias Hotel, Palawan. Airborne Technologies, Power
Ophelia?
Bank.
Kasi baka ganun
Power in
catchy.
your hand.
You feel me? Ophelia. Okay. Very
Ang
good.
susunod nating
Galing yung
artist ay
marketing
isang actress
manager.
at singer na kilala na ng
Yan
mga
na!
Pinoy simula
The all
1990s.
moments, the moment you've been waiting for.
I'm Carla Estrada, 39 years old. I started as a singer bago ako naging artista. Back in Tacloban, I was 9 years old. Nung alam kong marunong na akong kumanta, sumali na ako sa lahat ng singing contest. Ilang taon kong binuhay yung mga anak ko sa pagkanta. Nagkaroon tayo ng album back 1995, kaya lang kinain ako ng pag-aartista. Pag walang soap, lingid sa alam ng karamihan, marami akong out-of-town shows.
Before anything else, gusto ko malaman, nakita ba si Daniel Padilla, mga anak niyo? Alam ba nila na kasali po kayo?
Hindi nila alam. Sinikreto ko lahat. Dahil pag nalaman niya, baka pauwi niya. Pag gusto ko siyang magulat. Naisipan kong sumali sa The Voice kasi since contesera ako, so para sa akin, itong The Voice, ito na yung height ng singing contest for me na kailangan kong matupad na salihan.
Ano po mensahe niyo po sa mga anak niyo?
Kapo ni Robby.
Pagbigyan niyo na si Mama.
Yun.
Kung magustuhan, di bongga. Pag hindi, di masaya pa rin. At least na-try ko, may ikakwento ka, diba? Ikakwento mo, walang lumingon. If ever greatest performance, aside from having my children, etong pagsali. Saka, eto yung mas gusto kong sa contest pa rin ako makilala sa pagkanta.
25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. So I wake up in the morning and I step outside, take a deep breath, get real high, and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, 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 hey.
Welcome back to the Voice of the Philippines. And
La Estrada.
Oh my, okay, wait. No, I have to hug you first. I just have to hug you. Your son is adorable.
I love you.
Hello po. Yes, it's Daniel Padilla's mother. We already know who you are. Why did you join the Voice? What made you decide to give us a
I've been
try?
joining the singing contest
we're back
since
here
I
in the
was
Voice of the
9.
Philippines. Online,
And,
together with
Katuparan sa pangarap.
the very
ng mga
happy.
Pagniseral.
Yun na ngayon dapat ng hashtag, what's going on?
That was good. That was good.
Your
I mean,
thoughts,
yung diction, wala
partner,
naman
about
akong
her
complaint.
performance.
But
My
I
thoughts,
guess
alam
we're
nyo,
looking
nag-party
for
tayo with, di ba,
hindi
with
namin
si Vicky,
Yes,
and then siya
yes.
yung naging singer.
Oh my God,
Kumakanta
yung
siya.
mapapatulong
Nakita mo talaga kay
na
Miss
makita
Carla na
yung
talagang
bottom.
passion niya ang singing and it never hinders her kahit na may anak na siya, ilang taon na siya,
Yeah.
napatunayan na niya, nag-album na siya. Talagang singing is her passion and dapat yon ang makuha sa kanya ng, I think nakukuha din sa kanya ng mga anak niya yung passion sa pag-perform, di ba?
Inspiring.
Kahit anong manalo. Kasi alam mo, ang hirap din yun papasok ka sa contest, maaring hindi ka makuha. So parang yung nagka-album mo, gets mo? Yung odds na pwedeng matanggal pa sa'yo kasi,
maging ready sa kung ano man ang magiging
gets mo?
resulta.
Gets na
Wow,
gets ko.
salamat po.
Especially,
Pero wala, tinake na yung risk na yun, di ba? So hanga tayo sa kanya.
pangarap.
she has
No
that
matter who
passion
you are.
and the utmost courage para sa parang sa Blind Visions. And, you know,
You
just
are
to
the
be able
guest
to face
superstar
those four
tonight.
coaches is a great feat.
I like that.
Tapos, I have to give you something to take home.
Thank you very much. Ooh, dream come true. Thank you, Lord.
Meron bang asawa ngayon si Miss Carla?
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
May boyfriend.
When I was waiting for this night, I said, no matter what, I just wanna experience it. And I am so happy. Hindi alam ng mga anak ko to.
Lahat ba sila tutol sa iyong pagsali dito?
It's not like tutol na no. Pinakain ko kayo sa pagkanta ko. Relax ka lang, kaya ko yun. Gusto ko lang.
Oy!
Please keep on singing.
Pinakain ko kayo dahil sa pagkanta ko ito.
Ganda niyo pala.
Relax ka lang.
Kita eh.
Thank you very much.
Sasabihin ko lang yan sa nanay ko. Pinakain kita sa pag-report.
Kaya,
Relax ka lang. Mami Pinty.
sabihin mo yan, ha?
Mami Pinty.
Okay. Here. Let's go.
Mami Pinty. Pinakain kita sa pag-reporter at livestream ko, kaya relax ka lang dyan. Huwag mo ko ite-text kung nasan na ako. Uuwi din ako. Relax ka lang. Buti na lang di siya nag-online. Approve.
Okay. Ayos yan. Pero yung mga online viewers natin are just so happy dahil ang dami-dami natin nakita ngayon dito sa Voice of the Philippines, especially here sa online chat room natin dahil kasama natin once again ang ating mga The Voice of the Philippine artists.
si
Demi,
Renz.
Renz.
Ito na, nag-ano na sila, nag-run down ng mga ano.
Vanessa is also part of the Voice of the Philippines and si Jem Kupil na nakita natin ngayon na sa Skype. Let's have them once again here on the show, guys. Please come here and let's talk about the Voice of the Philippines more. Ngayon, na nakita niyo ibang mga performances, ano man sabi niyo?
Medyo kinakabahan na po ako kasi excited na po ako kung sinong makakabattles ko.
Wow.
Tsaka kinakabahan at the same time.
Renz?
Ako, ganun din. May halong excitement. Parang, wow, totoo ba nangyayari ito?
Pero tandaan nyo, ha? Relax lang kayo. Because, you know, you got a passion, you got a voice. And, andyan naman yung mga pangarap nyo. Basta bit nyo yan.
And yes, andyan pa din yung mga coaches ninyo to guide
True,
you.
true.
And lahat naman ng coaches sa The Voice, talaga namang, I'm sure, mailalabas nila yung kakayahan ninyo. So, don't worry. Because
ang
you're in
daming-
good hands.
With?
The coaches, The Voice.
Yun, galing.
Pinush,
Galing mo talaga. Okay. Ang dami
Okay.
talagang nag-tweet sa atin or nag-chat sa atin tulad ni Jopay2. Sabi niya, congrats, Pogi. Sobrang nakaka-touch ang rendition mo. Proud. Maraming salamat sa komento mo yan. Attach ka
Si
sa
Yana,
rendition
Ate
ko.
Kati, issue ka ba? Kasi all I want for Christmas issue. Well, I want to hear that from Jem.
Wait, dala-dala ang malaking
Zubotron.
totoo yan.
Okay, so any last words and yung inyong mga kailangang yung mga online ninyo kasi alam nyo kailangan
Once again,
in touch kayo sa fans ninyo. Dahil para sa battles. Bakit nandiyan ka sa likod? Dito ka. Okay. Kaya niyo yan.
Just in case people wanna reach you, you know.
Yes.
Ano ba ang dapat nilang itag sa
Oo.
Twitter?
Ano ba ba?
Social media
name.
accounts?
Social
Social
media.
media. Twitter po at Demi Fresco. Facebook, www.facebook.com/demi.fresco. And on Instagram, simply Demi. Please support us on battles.
Ren.
You are Team Sarah and Team Bamboo?
Sa Twitter po, at OPM Renz, and on Facebook, palike po ng page, Rensley Rapano po, kahit di po
Yun.
sanay.
At ngayon, sobrang swerte natin, Pards, kasi makakasama po natin, fresh from the Blind Auditions,
Sino?
ang nag-iisang
Carla Estrada.
Okay. we're just kidding right here. So
Okay, akala ko kasi kaya ka na ganyan. Nag-glittery.
Oh, segue tayo.
Ikaw
Ngayon
talaga.
tayo ay sumegue dito na dahil kailangan po namin i-promote itong mga social networking sites namin. It's the Voice of the Philippines. And once again, ang hashtag natin na gagamitin bukas, Voice Weekend. Follow us sa Twitter, The Voice ABS-CBN, Facebook.com/The Voice ABS-CBN. Instagram.
IG, ABS-CBN The Voice. Sa YouTube natin, youtube.com/The Voice ABS-CBN. At ang site po natin, thevoice.abs-cbn.com. Tomorrow po, may live stream pa rin tayo, 8 p.m. See you guys.
And please watch the I Do finale. Alam mo, on
Yes.
behalf of the Voice of the Philippines, gusto kong sabihin na sobrang ang dami ko natutunan about relationships dito sa I Do. So sana pakaabangan natin
Talaga?
ang finale nila.
Ikaw na ba ang next namin makikitang mag-I do?
Hindi, depende. Next week, Saturday, pakaabangan
Yes.
niya.
And after po na is Banana Split Extra Scoop. Don't forget. Okay?
And
Next week na
Pure
po.
Love.
Last week na po ng Pure Love. Sana po mga kapamilya, wag ninyong pakakatutukan. Wag ninyong pakakatutukan. Wag ninyong
kalimutan.
bibitawan. Oo.
Huwag niyo kalimutan.
Wag niyo,
Panoorin.
ano ba? Wag niyo lilimutang pakakatutukan.
Pakatutukan.
Pakatutukan.
Yun.
Okay.
And
Thank
for
you so
other
much.
outtakes, only hear the Voice of the Philippines. All you have to do is just to log on to www.thevoiceofthephilippines.com. And kami ay sobrang natutuwa. Ako po si Rob Domingo.
And I am Alex Gonzaga.
Once again, we'll see you tomorrow only here in the Voice of the Philippines. And we'll leave you with this clip coming from Carla Estrada. Good night.
Watch this!